Do you have instant ramen noodles? Let's turn them into a healthy dinner, but absolutely delicious. Hi guys, Landon's here. Let's do this. Written recipe is in the description and the first comment. You can find everything that I used in this video at the end of the written recipe. Be sure to slide against the grain for maximum tenderness. Although you can skip, but Chinese velveting method is recommended. Here in the state, Maruchan noodles is slightly thicker and chewier than Nissin. This is an excellent dish for meal prepping. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you give this recipe a try, let me know what you think. Help me in my channel if you can. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.